63 points to sit at 25,954. NASDAQ Composite also up 2 points to sit at 74.89. S&P up 5 points right now, 27.84. Google reports it forgot to mention one element of its home alarm system. According to Google, a built-in microphone was included in its Nest Secure Hub, the Nest Guard, that began selling in the fall of 2017. It was meant to access other Google devices, but the company never listed the microphone as a feature. Google tells Business Insider the microphone was never intended to be a secret and should have been listed in the tech specs. According to the company, the microphones have not been active and customers will have to specifically enable them going forward. In a world where credit cards, phone payments, and other electronic transactions are becoming more prevalent, there's an effort to protect cash purchases. In Rhode Island, a lawmaker has introduced a bill to ensure customers can pay with cash in that state's retail stores. And Philadelphia, a city councilman has proposed a ban on stores not accepting cash. In both cases, the proposals are touted as protecting low-income consumers who are less likely to have access to credit and debit cards. We're getting a look at some startling new statistics about the drug epidemic in the U.S. The U.S. has more overdose deaths than any other wealthy nation, according to a study from the University of Southern California. It showed drug mortality has now doubled that of Finland and Sweden, the countries with the next highest death rates. The overdose epidemic is also affecting Americans' life expectancy. Researchers say the U.S. has lost the most years of life from drug deaths than any other high-income country. Well, a new government study reveals cervical precancers have declined since the introduction of the HPV vaccine. Researchers tracked rates of 2 HPV strains linked to 70% of cervical cancers. They found the number of HPV infections and precancers dropped significantly among vaccinated women. About half of adolescent girls and a third of boys have completed the HPV vaccine series. Chris?
One man may be in some hot water with his girlfriend